know what the shape is. I'm going to tell you. The Earth's shape is not flat. Big surprise. But there is seriously people out there who think the Earth is flat. And why would you think the Earth is flat? Like, seriously. Like, there's... I know, like, back then, you could... Yeah. But now we have all this technology. There's literally live streams. There's videos. There's pictures. And also, how does a flat Earth work anyway? I just don't know how. So I'm going to tell you all the 10 reasons why the flat Earth is not real. Yeah, I'm about to break all of your bubbles. Reason 1, the sun and moon cycles. How does that work? Like, I know there's like diagrams of the sun being smaller than the Earth and above it rotating. But how does that work? The sun will always be light everywhere, so it'll always be day. And you say, oh my gosh, there's other things? Yeah. But we obviously know that the sun isn't the size of a marble. And it's not, it's going around us. Because you can see the sun, rising and setting. And if the Earth is completely flat, you can always see it then. Which is, I don't get it. And also, how do solar eclipses, lunar eclipses, how do all the planets line up? Where are the other planets? How does the Milky? Are we in the Milky? Or are we just in the sky? How does gravity work? Because gravity tries to pull things to the center, which is why everything's spherical in space. Because gravity tries to put everything together, like, yeah! Kind of like that. But I have no idea how someone can conjure that. Like, so this is how this works. This is how space works. Space works like this. Yeah. No, I'm sorry. I don't want to burst your bubble. But that's not how space works. Okay? Reason 3, because the 2 is the gravity part. Reason 3 they don't work is, how do tides work? How? And you say, so the sun pushes, the moon pulls. Yeah. But the Earth is flat. How? Reason 4. Antarctica. You say Antarctica is just a wall of ice? No, Antarctica is pretty small. It's also an archipelago. And also don't forget Pangaea, where all the countries are all together. I mean, all the continents, not countries. And, all the other stuff. And also, how would the atmosphere stay on? And also, let's look at gravity. And you say gravity, the planet's always going up. If the planet's always going up, then everyone will be stuck to the ground, right? Everyone will be stuck to the ground. And what is the definition of planet? Let's see a planet. The definition of planet. What's the definition of planet, guys? Yeah, everyone knows the definition of planet. The definition of planet is a celestial body distinguished from fixed stars by having an apparent motion of its own, including the moon and the sun, especially with the reference to its supposed influence of people and events. And also, a planet, there's also more ways. A planet orbits a star, and clearly, flat Earth does not orbit a star. Number 2, the planet has enough gravity to keep itself in a ball. And it's also, and the third reason is clearest path. Since this thing is not orbiting, then this thing will never clear its path. This thing did not clear its path because it's not orbiting. And this thing, the sun, like, geocentric models is basically what you're trying to say is correct. And we knew that the Earth was round ever since we realized space exists. We knew what it was. We researched everything. So basically, if you say the Earth is flat, you're undoing hundreds of years of progress to get to this point now. So I don't know how many reasons I have. These are my reasons why you guys are bad at everything.